Live mula sa Delulu Network Center, ilang taong pinaasa, babantayan ka at mamahalin ka 24/7. Baby!
Magandang umaga po Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at sa baby ko! Ngayong araw ay ating tatalakayin ng ilan sa mga katanungan patungkol sa Operations and Process Innovation.
Isa na dito ay kung ano ang kahulugan ng Operation and Process Innovation at bakit ba ito mahalaga sa mga negosyo at organisasyon.
At hindi aalamin ng ilan sa mga halimbawa ng Operations and Process Innovation at kung paano nga ba nito naapektuhan ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo, Doktor?
Sus! Puro ka lang naman paasa, kaya naman nakatutok dyan si Redena Barquez, exclusive. Maaari mo bang sabihin sa amin ang mga kaganapan dyan, Reden?
Sa mabilis na pagbabago ng mundo ng teknolohiya, innovation ang isa sa mga mahalagang bagay sa paglago ng isang negosyo. Ngunit, sa gitna ng mga diskusyon tungkol sa mga makabagong produkto at teknolohiya, madalas na hindi nabibigyan ng pansin ang kahalagahan ng Operations and Process Innovation. Kaya naman, sa araw na ito, layunin nating bigyan ng diin ng mga mahalagang bahagi ng Operations and Process Innovation. Sa pamamagitan ng real-world examples, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang kahalagahan nito para sa isang business organization. Mula dito sa barangay mapagmahal na Sactan City, nakatuto, Redena Barquez!
Mukhang matindi ang iyong pagkabaksak, Reden. Ngayon, maaari mo bang ibahagi sa amin kung ano ang Operation and Process Innovation? At maaari mo bang sabihin sa amin ang iba't ibang definisyon nito?
Operations and Process Innovation refers to the strategic implementation of new methods, techniques, or practices within an organization's processes to improve efficiency, productivity, and overall performance, na kung saan ay nakapaloob din ang patuloy na eksaminasyon at pag-improve ng internal operations ng isang business organization.
Ay ko! To understand process innovation, better let's consider an example. To understand operations and process innovations better, let's consider an example. Imagine a manufacturing company that produces automobiles. They have been using traditional assembly line methods for over the years, but they realize that bottlenecks and inefficiencies are slowing down the operation. In response, they decide to implement a new process innovation called lean manufacturing. This process focuses on eliminating waste such as unnecessary movement or overproduction, also optimizing every step of the manufacturing process, which may boost overall efficiency and cut expenses, which can also improve the quality of their business.
In other words, operations and process innovations have the potential to significantly affect several sectors. They help companies maintain their competitiveness, also grow and adapt to changing market conditions. And by this, organizations may find chances for improvement, increase efficiency, and provide better goods or services to their consumers by searching innovative methods to improve operational processes.
And now, in order for us to fully understand more about Operation and Process Innovation, let's explore the different definition given by these great entrepreneurs.
Starting with Peter Drucker, 1933, based on his definition, Operations and Process Innovation is a systematic search for the implementation of better ways and doing things. From Drucker's definition, it highlights the systematic nature of seeking and implementing improvements in work processes. It emphasizes the continuous pursuit of better methods, techniques, or strategies. An example could be a customer service call center implementing advanced speech recognition technology and AI-powered chatbots to automate routine inquiries and provide faster and more efficient customer support, aligning with Drucker's definition of process innovation. Next definition is from Henry Chesbrough, 2003. Based on his definition, Operations and Process Innovation is the development of new ways of managing and organizing work that leads to improved performance. Ayon sa kanyang definition, it highlights the importance of developing innovative approaches to manage and organize work processes, resulting in empowered overall performance. It emphasizes the needs to rethink traditional methods and adapt new strategies to achieve better outcomes. For example, could be a professional service firm implementing a collaborative project management software that enhance communication, coordination, and project execution, ultimately leading to improved performance and client satisfaction.
Ang sarap mo, Riden. Ang sarap ng higa mo dyan. Ngayon atin namang alamin ang iba pang definasyon na nagmula kila Chan Kim and Renee Mabor 2005. Based on their definition, operations and process innovation is the development of novel methods for carrying out tasks that provide value for consumers or established markets. Ayon sa kanilang definition, it emphasizes the creation of innovative methods that generate new value for consumers or disrupt established markets. It underscores the importance of challenging existing norms and introducing groundbreaking approaches. For instance, the advent of ride-sharing platforms like Uber and Lyft revolutionized the transportation industry by creating new ways of connecting riders with drivers and disrupting traditional taxi services, representing processes innovation in line with Kim and Mabor's definition.
Pero hindi lang yan, sapagkat meron pang isa na nagmula naman kay Rita Gander McGrath of 2014. Based on her definition, operation and process innovation is a systematic enhancement of how work is carried out to increase value for clients or lower expenses. McGrath's definition of process innovation emphasizes the systematic nature of improving processes. The focus is on making incremental or transformative changes to enhance the value provided customer or to achieve cost reduction. An example will be a retail business using a new inventory management system. It enhances stock levels and increases the accuracy of product availability. Also, it improves customer satisfaction and lower inventory management expenses.
And since we already know the different definitions of operations and process innovation, let us now proceed to its characteristics and importance.
And as we all know, operation and process innovation possess several distinct characteristics that set them apart from other types of innovation. Understanding this characteristic is crucial to foster a culture of continuous improvement and drive operational excellence. Pero ano-ano nga ba ang mga karakteristik na ito? Kaya naman nakatutok dyan si Riden Navarquez, exclusive.
Tama ka dyan, Dokto. Sobrang importante na ating malaman ang mga characteristics na ito. Nang sa gayon ay ating mapang mas maunawaan ang operations and process innovation. Unang-una na dyan ay ang introduction of new or improved methods. It involves the introduction of new or significantly improved methods of production, delivery, or work management. They go beyond incremental changes and aim to transform the way that tasks are executed within an organization. Kasunod nito ay ang focus on efficiency and effectiveness. It emphasizes raising operational effectiveness and efficiency. They also seek to improve resource use, remove the bottlenecks, and simplify the processes. Dagdag pa dito ay ang customer value creation. It is driven by the objective of creating value for customers by improving the way work is done. Organizations can enhance customer service experiences, increase satisfaction, and meet evolving needs. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang cost reduction. It also aims to reduce costs by eliminating waste, improve productivity, and optimizing resource allocation. By identifying, eliminating, and non-value-added activities, organizations can achieve cost savings without compromising quality. At higit sa lahat, ang continuous improvement. Processes, innovations, embody a culture of continuous improvement, seeking better ways of doing things on an ongoing basis. Organizations can embrace these characteristics, are committed to exploring innovation solutions, learning from failures, and adapting to changing circumstances.
Mukhang malakas ang tama mo dyan, Riden! At ngayon na ating nalaman na ang iba't ibang characteristics ng operations and process innovation, mas madali na lamang para sa atin na maintindihan at malaman ang kahulugan nito. Lalo na't nandyan ka, baby ko!
Tama ka dyan, baby. Kumain ka na ba? Kasi kung hindi pa, mag-iimpake ka na at lilipad tayo!
Lilipad saan?
Lilipad tayo kung saan ay wala makakapigil sa ating dalawa.
Ha? Saan yun?
Saan pa ba kundi sa importance of operation and process innovation?
Ay talaga naman sa'yo? Kaya nakatutok dyan si Riden Navarquez.
Sa mabilis sa pag-ikot ng mundo ng negosyo, operations and process innovation are essential for staying competitive in the meeting and changing needs of customers. Ilan mo sa mga ito ay mga sumusunod. Number 1, mas madali lala para sa mga business organization na mamit ang kanilang customer expectation. Pangalawa, it can help driving business growth. Pangatlo, it can also enhance organizational agility. Pangapat, it can foster a culture of innovation. At higit sa lahat, ay mas magkakaroon ng competitive edge o mas mapapalago nito ang isang business organization. And to end this presentation, process operations and process innovations are vital components of modern businesses, enabling them to organization to optimize efficiency, reduce costs, and drive sustainable growth into this competitive market industry. By embracing innovation and operations, companies can enhance their competitive advantage and position themselves for long-term success. Ako, si Redena Barquez, nag-uulat mula sa barangay Di Ka Sasaktan, Di Ka Ipagpapalit Village, sayong-sayo lamang city. Back to you, Martin.
At yan ang mga balita ngayong Lunes. Ako po si Christine Nicole Cianinyon, nagmamahal.
Ako naman si Mark Anthony Docto, para mahalin mo.
Live mula sa Delulu Network Center, ilang taong pinaasa, babantayan ka at mamahalin ka 24/7. Baby